Daisy, you wanna go squirrel hunting? You wanna go squirrel hunting? Huh? Huh? Okay. Okay. Go find the squirrels, Daisy. So we're just doing a quick little afternoon run. There has been quite a lot of squirrel action, and I want to take her out Saturday. She might already have one treed. Load the gun real quick, hopefully we can get one down. She's sniffing a lot of trees and started grumbling a little bit. I know what she's following. There's one that ran across the power line just there about 10 minutes ago, and she's following it. So hopefully get one treed soon, and just a little quick afternoon run after school. Is there a squirrel, Daisy? Where is it at, Daisy? There's a squirrel at, Daisy. Daisy, go find a squirrel. Go find a squirrel. Daisy's got one treed. It's up there through all those limbs in the pine tree, so I'm gonna try to shoot it out somewhere or another. Hopefully get her a squirrel on the ground. I think there might be two. I'm not sure though. Hopefully I can get it. That's a real good rub. We got a tree found right there. Hopefully we can shoot him. And Daisy's doing real well, so got a rub, squirrel, and a good dog. I think I just hit one, guys, using a pellet gun because I'm in the city. But there were two of them. Daisy's really locked in now, and I'm pretty sure I hit one because he started racing down the tree. So hopefully we can confirm our first squirrel shot out to Daisy tonight. Well, that was an unfortunate last few minutes of excitement. Never got a good shot on a squirrel, wounded one. He just stayed in the tree. He'll live to see another day, but very glad Daisy got some practice and got to run some. Hopefully she can tree another one in the next 5 minutes, but I'm just trying to get some practice in before early Saturday morning we come out here, and hopefully then we can shoot down a few. Daisy, I don't see any squirrel. I'm not sure. I don't know what's up under there. Probably a snake. Come on. Let's go. Come on. We didn't have any kills tonight, but we had a good time and we got some practice in. Hopefully Saturday morning we can really get it done. Good job today, Daisy. Good job. Hey, hey. We'll go again. Oh, your eye. Are you okay? Daisy. What happened? I'll check that out.